We all want our relationships to last. But lasting love doesn't just happen accidentally. Here are 10 ways to keep your relationship strong. Not with big, dramatic gestures, but with the everyday habits that quietly hold two people together. 1. Communicate clearly. Share your thoughts, your fears, your expectations, and your feelings openly. When things go unsaid, the mind fills the gaps with doubt. But clarity grows when honesty is allowed to speak. Say what you feel early and gently. 2. Listen without trying to win. When you stop listening to defend yourself and start listening to understand, it transforms your relationship. Your partner isn't your enemy. Their pain is not an attack. It's a message. 3. Become a team, not two opponents. Healthy couples ask one question: how do we fix this? Unhealthy couples ask, who is right? When you stop competing and start collaborating, connection grows. 4. Show appreciation daily. A simple, thank you, I noticed, I appreciate you, are tiny seeds that grow into security and love. People stay where they feel valued. 5. Respect boundaries. Healthy relationships allow individuality. Give each other space and privacy. Boundaries protect love from suffocation. 6. Keep the romance alive intentionally. Plan dates. Surprise each other. Gentle touches, small notes and small gestures that remind your partner they matter. Love needs maintenance, the same way a fire needs new wood. 7. Handle conflicts with emotional control. Anyone can be kind when life is easy. True strength is staying kind when you are angry. No yelling, no insults, no threats of leaving. If you need to, walk away. Breathe. Come back when the ego is asleep. 8. Support each other's dreams. Your partner isn't just someone you love. They're someone you build a life with. Celebrate their wins. Stand with them when things are not going well. Two people who grow together don't outgrow each other. 9. Build trust through consistency. Show up when you said you would. Do what you promised. Be reliable, even on days you don't feel like it. And finally, 10. Choose each other every day. Love is not just a feeling. Feelings fade with time. Love is a discipline. It is a choice to forgive, a choice to keep trying, a choice to look at the person across the table and say, I'm still in this with you. This is what keeps relationships alive, long after the butterflies are gone. Comment one thing you do to make your relationship better. Always remember, you become what you think about.